Hi guys, welcome back to Able Media channel. It's your favorite boy Asha. So as you can see, I'm putting on our Cordy mesh. So it's still available, it's still for sale. So place your order now. In this episode, we are going to talk about the dwindling economy of Nigeria, how greatly the purchasing power of the people have been eroded, the loss of value of the naira. So we'll go into the market and see what 60,000 can get us. This is 60,000, and it's a 2-month salary of a minimum wage earner. The minimum wage in Nigeria is 30,000 naira per month. So this is 60,000 naira. This is a 2-month salary of an average minimum wage earner. So we're gonna go to my 12th market, which is tagged the cheapest foodstuff market in Lagos. So we'll be using public transport. We're gonna cut costs to make sure that everything is cheap, so that we see what, when you work for 2 months, what you can be able to afford with your salary. So I'll be going on this journey with my wife, who is the junior sister of our founder, Able Media. So guys, meet her.
Hello.
So she will be helping me to make the purchases, to cut costs, and guys, stay tuned and keep on watching Able Media. So we boarded the public bus. We are heading to my 12th market. As you can see, the conductor is busy with his trade. It's 4 per row. It's kind of hectic and hot inside this bus. So we alighted from the bus and straight down to my 12th international market, Lagos State. This is the cheapest foodstuff market in the whole of West Africa. So you guys just relax. The movie is just getting started. Ranging from vegetables, anything foodstuff is what you get in here. So one of the coconut cost 600 naira. So back in the day, it used to be as low as 15 naira or 100 naira. So this is the effect of the inflation in our economy. So yeah. So guys, we just got to the market. So wholesale market. Yeah.
It was somewhere inside.
Yes, 11,000 for quarter and a quarter remains.
Yeah, how are you?
24 Now quarter remains. Yes, 24. Go. Uncle,
Yeah,
one share.
God, you got tomato side right now.
Okay?
Yeah, how are you?
What else, sir?
Yeah.
Is it phone?
Yeah, camera.
Okay.
Where you are?
I didn't have one for the
How you the server?
Yeah.
Come now. How much back?
Okay, one buy back. You ask me how much you back.
I got talk now.
50,000.
Eh?
45, 50.
Talk better. Which one? Because I don't buy the.
I don't price. How much is price? How much is it?
Not before 10.
40 days. But on your city can get
Last year, around this time, I don't say this year around 20 something.
You will do it no how
Not 50 like no.
Do it no how much you make. The one is waste it. Say they see shine inside. Waste coin. The one is waste coin. They see inside. The way it dries it. They say 45, 46, 47. Anyway, like because it's different.
But this thing don't go up. Last year why I buy them, not be 20 something. I did that around this time last year.
But now there it is now. Ask this boy.
So we are in this tomato section of the market, and presently we are looking at the freshest. These ones are handpicked among the many that comes into the market. So these guys here sells in crates. So most of the quality that you are seeing on the screen right now is the one that is being sold in the supermarkets or in the shopping malls, because these ones last for a very long time. You see, they are so fresh and dry. They are actually hand-picked. So this is what you get. The supermarket, your favorite supermarket, they source from this market as well. As you can see how fresh the tomatoes are. So whenever you're buying from the supermarket, know they are coming from this My 12. Most of them in Lagos State, they source from My 12 market. And a crate of this hand-picked fresh dried tomatoes goes for 10,000 naira a crate. So imagine the supermarket is selling a kilo to you for maybe 2,000, 3,000. Imagine the profit they make, So I encourage you to shop in My 12 market. You get it cheaper. A crate of this is 10,000 naira, just a crate of it. So in your next shopping, consider My 12 market. So it has been grinded. That's 5,000 worth of So we're in the section of Irish potato. So there's different prices for this Irish potato. but we're gonna settle for the one we can afford. A ball of the one you are seeing on the screen is 5,000 for a ball. So our money is actually finishing. We are exhausting the 16,000 naira we came to the market with.
You don't put my food in. Don't put it. No, I said the nylon. No, what's too strong?
Yeah, So we finally settled for a basket of fresh tomatoes for 20,000 naira. This is what we're going home with. Yeah. So we finally settled for a basket of fresh tomatoes for 20,000 naira. This is what we're going home with. So we wanted to make sure we buy every household item. As you can see, we are in the section of the grains. You can see the millet, the beans, the rice, the gari, the soya beans for protein, the millet, everything is here. So we'll get a bowl or half bowl each according to the amount left with us. So we want to make sure we get every household item needed for a family here. So because we are actually trying to show you guys what 60,000 naira can afford you. My wife is a bargaining genius. She knows how to do these things. Like, she gets the best price for each item, the cheapest price you can imagine. So, and she asked for jara as well. I wasn't informed that I was supposed to come into this tomato market with a rain boot, those plastic rubber boots that protects your leg, because the tomato water that seeps out from the basket messes out the floor. It's so bad. Put jara there. Now that thing say you go ask something for me. I saw you do. I don't buy it. How much?
Hey, you like
how much you think? You like it? Oh yeah. Hello, can share the photo. Be cut again. All right, go now.
So we are in this fruit section. I love fruit so much. A watermelon is selling 2,500 naira per one. So, and the color is looks so nice, looks so yummy. So I got watermelon for myself, got pineapple, there's oranges, and they're so cheap for what is obtainable outside the market. So in this economy, whatever you do, try to save. Whatever you do, try to cut costs, and this market serves that purpose. Avocados, also known in my own dialect as ube oyibo, is such an underrated fruit. So underrated that, like, if you don't eat this, you're missing out. Like, I can have this all day with bread. It's so yummy. So we are finally back home, and this is the display of what we got. We got tomatoes for 17,000, crayfish for 5,000, spaghetti for 3,000, onions for 7,000. We got shombo for 2,500. We got lettuce for 1,000 naira, and we got cucumber for 1,000 naira as well. We got red pepper for 3,000 naira. We got Irish potatoes for 5,000. We got coconut for 1,200 naira for the two. We got ginger for 800 naira. We got lemon for 1,000. So this is actually what we got, and a few more items like half pint of beans we got for 2,500 naira. Garlics we got for 500. We got a tuber of yam for 2,500. We got pineapple for 1,000 each. We got two. We got carrot, a portion of carrot for 1,000. We got green peas for 1,000 naira, and the total is 60,000 naira. So basically this is what minimum wage for 2 months will get you, 60,000. There you go, guys.
So guys, the video is coming to an end now. Hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If you do, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe. I will see you when next time I upload. Cardi.